Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This week I have some announcements to make about changes to my blog, my YouTube channel, all kinds of stuff. So I'm just going to get right into it. So the biggest change is that I am now going to be under a new domain name. So instead of handtoolhomeschool.com, it's going to be jpthewoodworker.com. And I wanted to make you guys aware of that because that's where I'm going to be putting all my new content, is under jpthewoodworker.com. So for a short time, Hand Tool Homeschool is still available, but I'm moving everything over and all the content's already moved over. It's just little changes that I have to make. But I wanted to let you know that because, like I said, my email is going to change, my newsletter, my social media, all that stuff. So please be patient with me while I'm making this changeover occur. If you notice anything's not working correctly, just feel free to reach out and email me. But none of the content's going to change. So why the change in the name? So the reason is I had quite a bit of feedback from different folks and some trusted friends that they just weren't quite sure about Hand Tool Homeschool, the name, what it meant. It was confusing. And so I decided just to go with something that represents me a little bit and what I do. And JP is my initials, and some of my friends call me that. And then the woodworker, that's what I do. I woodwork. So that's really a pretty simple reason that I changed over, just to make it clear for everyone. Also, I kind of have changed a few ideas that I have, in that I don't want to exclusively do hand tools anymore. I still am passionate about it and I love it, and I'm going to feature a lot of it, but I also want to make it easier on folks to do projects around the house and with their kids, and hand tools can take a lot of time to develop the skill to do that. So I'm going to be adding in some easy power tools and techniques and things to do where you could just build some really cool stuff with everything you can get from the home center. So these kind of things are coming. But yeah, that's the big announcement. jpthewoodworker.com is the new name, and my newsletter will be named that. Everything will be branded that. So just stick around if you like the content. Again, not much is going to change, and I'm going to keep pumping out the same stuff I've been doing as I can. And this summer has been really busy for my family and my kids, so I haven't been able to get into the shop with them much, but I'm still going to be bringing you guys videos with them and some from just myself. I'm going to continue the rabbit plane series that I started last week, so stick around for that. It's coming, I promise. So again, thanks for all your patience and everything that I do. I do it to help you and to share things that I'm learning on my woodworking journey. So I hope that you still like it, and if you have any feedback for me, just let me know. I appreciate it. Just reach out through the website or through this channel. So that's going to be it for today. Next week we'll be back with either a tip or a project or technique video. I'm not sure yet, but it's going to be something to do, probably a project or a technique, so we can get into the shop and do a little work on the wood. It's been a few weeks since I've done that. So anyway, hope you have a great day. Thanks again for being here. I appreciate you. And always remember, life's most important order: love God, love each other, and woodwork. We'll see you next time.